All right, so this is we're going to be running through some of these workflow software tools from start to finish because I started to open them up and set up test areas just because every couple of years I do it to see what they've come up with recently. They started to look very similar. So I thought, what would be a cool video would be to start them up and walk them through, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to just start with either one or two or three pieces of software today, and it's just going to be the setup because they all ask funny questions, and I think that those are kind of important to see. Like when I click the get started on this one, we're going to start with Asana. We'll see what they ask us because it's kind of funny stuff. By signing up, I agree. I will agree. Look at all these suckers I got going. Please verify your email address. Get started. Here we go. Here we go. Hoorah. What's your full name? Oh. What's your primary role? See, they ask you this stuff. So let's just see what's going on here. This will help us tailor Asana for you. We may also reach out to help you find the right Asana products for your team. I could be any of these things. So
Critic? Is Critic one of the ones listed there? Or?
Yeah. Do. Let's just do those. A little bit of sales and legal. Pepper those in. What's your main objective? All right, we'll go with recommended for me. Let's set up your first project. What's something you and your team are currently working on? Software reviews only. Let's go. What are a few tasks that you have to do for software reviews? Well, first of all, I have to interview clients. Secondly, I have to process map. Thirdly, provide solutions. I bet you it gave me little hints right there, which I wasn't even paying attention to. Because sometimes they give me hints and I just take the hints. See, it says to do, doing, done. How would you group these tasks into stages? I kind of don't like this. To do. I have to do everything. I'm just starting. Can I delete? Let me tell you if it's to do, doing, done. Let's see if this works. Me just deleting everything. To do. What do we like, Johnny boy? We like a list. We like a board where you get these little cards and you can move them around. Let's look. They kept to do, doing, done. Naughty.
Of course they did.
Naughty, naughty. Timeline. We got a Gantt. I'm gonna not do the Gantt right now.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do right now, although that's kind of a cute calendar. I'm gonna stick with the list just because it's good for a dumbass like me. List is great for tracking work. Board is great for moving work through stages. I thought list was good for that too. Timeline is great for visualizing work with deadlines and dependencies. Oh my Lanta, you created your first project in Asana. Who's working on this project with you? Asana, I don't want to get anybody up in here yet. Continue. Download Asana for Yahoo. We're going to skip it to Lou. I already got it downloaded. You know what I'm saying? I'm already got it done. All right, so we did it. We're not done yet. Let's look what it says. Does this look good to us, John? Can we figure out what's happening?
A little.
Okay, here's the home button. Well, it brings you right into the project. So in the project, I probably can do, it says it's interview clients. There you go. That's my task. I'm the assigned person. They keep these dates just today. Priority status. What's this? I can add something?
So those priority statuses are suggestions, clearly.
Correct. Edit option. High priority. You can switch them around manually, which is all nice if you have 10,000 years to diddle. I can move this. Ooh, I can move that up and down. Put process map. All right. I don't really want to do that, but I can move it. That's nice. What I want to do is add a subtask, Johnny boy. What do you think? Where's that? Do I have to click details? Add subtask. Well, that's kind of out of the way.
You have to find it.
And now how do I save it? See, it's already taken me a little bit longer than I enjoy, but maybe it automatically did it. It did it. So all I have to do is click this away, and I've got a subtask. All right. I bet you there's an easier way. If I Google it, I bet you they'll tell me. But what we're partly doing is we're just trying to figure out without getting Googled.
If we can navigate.
Yeah. So I like how they still kept to do, doing, done. That's super annoying. I just want to see the stupid list.
Shouldn't be the to do, doing, and done is be part of the list as opposed to being separate lists.
Child, please. Okay. That's what I'm saying. So I'm getting rid of that. So I'll keep to do just because, unless I want to change it, rename this section.
There you go.
Let's call it a task list. Smartsheet's going to be saying, oh, I know that's what we call it. So, okay. So we could add other junk in here, but we'll get to that in another video. The only other thing I want to do with this video is look through what we have available. So the overview for this project is this here. They give you some stuff. What's the status? You joined. I don't really want to see that, but that's fine. The list is what we just had, which is super nice. Board, that's cool. Could move this over to another section, if I wanted to use it. It's nice to give it to you. Give you this nice view of a Gantt. That's nice. I mean, I don't have any dates in there. There we go. It dropped in its own dates. That's nice. And we could probably move it. Ah, come on. That's nice. Calendar. It's always good to have a calendar. I can't read. There we are. Let's just see how easy this is.
Is my birthday in that calendar?
Happy birthday. Somewheres. If we put it in there, we could do it.
Oh, I see.
Workflow. Start building your workflow. Good, good. We'll get to that in another video. Dashboard. Okay, that's cute. It tells me some of this stuff that will be useful at some point, probably. Messages connect to your work. Send messages to members. I think that's overkill. I use other junk. Files. There's one issue that I have with Asana and files, and I'm not going to bring it up yet. So I just wanted to make sure we saw what's in the project. And now the only other thing I want to see right now is how easy it is to get to the project once we get out of it. So let's click on home because everyone likes to go home. And they tell me, oh, I can do customize home, complete my profile, continue setting up, download mobile app, browse integrations. All right, that's fair. My priorities. Man, this is a lot of crap I don't really need right now. Maybe it's because I haven't set anything up yet. My tasks. If I were only using Asana, I might be interested in something like this, but I don't know. Look, they kept today, do next week. All right. Inbox. What is this? Recommended projects for you. Join projects in Asana. Let's just look at this real quick. Do you mind, John?
Somebody else's projects? Sure.
I know. There are no recommendations for you at this time.
Oh.
We know. What are we going to be looking at NASA, like building a rocket?
Yeah, I mean, we're happy to join some projects, see what we can do.
Yeah, man. Maybe if there's some kind of hair plug making projects, I could jump in on there, get some advice. Hey, see teamwork from every angle. Okay, we'll get into that at some point. I think that's very cool. Portfolio. Okay, I think that's really just company brand campaign type stuff. We'll figure it out. Bro, goals. Grow hair and not coming out of my ears. Let's go. I don't know where they add a goal. Grow hairs. Enter a goal name. Get more
lunch.
Get more rad. Oh, you want to say get lunch? That would be
get more rad works too.
Get more rad lunches. Let's combine.
Yeah.
Time period. Privacy. Members. Just me. How do you measure progress? Update method. Automatic. Sub goals. Bruv. This is messing with my mind. Let's just keep it for shiggles. All right, let's see if we can get back to the project. Where do I go? All right. Cheat. I already kind of knew to go here. I don't know if this was obvious. Would this be obvious to you, John, to go here to see our last project we just saw?
You have to go somewhere, so yeah.
All right. Ease of use to find the project I created. Not too shabby.
But what happens when there's like 50 projects open? That might be somewhat...
I bet you there is a way you can do it by breaking out. Say you have different clients. bet you could do it by creating a new team. Yeah. So you could do a new team, which would be a new client or a new brand or some mess like that. Or we can get into when we do the portfolio management stuff. There may be a way to break it out that way. But hey, the cheapest, easiest right off the bat is crank out a team.
Yep.
All right. Next, XCon.